Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we're looking at my favorite tokens or altcoins for basically April 2025, which is just upon us and will be here very, very soon. Also want to say congrats to anyone in my Discord right now. You can see traders in my free group, which is just down below. Do check it out. Are making massive gains, whether the market is up, down or sideways. There are opportunities for everyone. So hopefully see you there and chat to you there too. So let's chat about this market. We can see on the week, things are looking green. On the day, pretty red. On the hour, we're starting to see more of a nice upbeat momentum here in the market again. Also, guys, we will talk about the trajectory of Bitcoin and where I think this is going to go more towards the end of this video. But first, let's just talk about it. So we can see the first token is going to be Bitcoin. Let's not forget that, OGs like Michael Saylor, part of strategy, do always acquire Bitcoin, right, and add more to their balance sheet to offset against inflation, because Bitcoin is effectively liquid gold, right? You can see Bitcoin is worth 84.2K, and whilst it's not feeling that fun in terms of 10 to 100x potential, it does still capture $1.67 trillion of the market share, which is over 50% of blockchain's valuation. So Bitcoin will be here for that particular matter. And remember, it is time in the market, not timing the market. You can't predict exactly when the market is going to do a certain thing. Otherwise, we'd all be, multi-millionaires. Next token will be, of course, Ethereum. And, even though Standard Chartered slashes its year end Ether price target from 10K to 4K, I'm still pretty much bullish on it. I know it's not been the best year. I know Ethereum's tapped towards $4,000 3 times already in this particular cycle, but seeing it at 2K is like, well, hang on a minute. It was literally at $2,000 over a year ago in 2023. So could this be a new area of interest in terms of entering and buying a bunch of Ethereum? I'm tempted to buy a lot of Ethereum at this level. I'm still thinking about it. I don't know if I 100% should, but the temptation is very, very real at these particular lows. And if we do get a bounce, it could be a really nice sort of ROI. So I am very tempted to get quite a large chunk of it. I just need to calculate what I think the downside potential is first. Memecoin is going to be the SU ecosystem. SU delivers the benefits of Web3 with the ease of Web2. Bullish on this one, and I think SU's very highly capable token and could have a good recovery. You can see since its inception here around 2024, it's gone from a $2.4 billion MC up to $15 billion. Now it's corrected 50% in terms of its market capital. It did cap over at $5.29 and came down to $2.30. So SU is absolutely off the list. We've then, of course, got Solana, my new favorite chain. Solana is super fast, scalable, has great countering against congestion and other things like that. Now we can say Solana is at a $65.3 billion market cap. It did actually head over 100 billion and it hit 126 billion. So it's down 50% again. Another token out there, which has now also got its own Solana reserve from Trump, which could effectively be a really good play out here. Yes, it is hanging on to a thread and hopefully it doesn't go down any lower, but Solana for me is another coin I really like. We've also got Avalanche, AVAX, $20. Has been, of course, removed again, but we can see here looking at the market cap, Avalanche did actually come up to a very impressive $22 billion. Actually, in 2021, it did achieve greater things, and, technically, Avalanche has not made an all-time high this particular cycle, but Avalanche could be another good one that's still worth having a look at. Very fast, lightning fast, in fact. Blockchain that is scalable, interoperable, and, of course, very, very secure and safe. Fully doxed team in that particular sense as well. But if you guys are, doing any dabbling of crypto, make sure you are using the one and only KSEX. No KYC needed, globally accessible, and you will save thousands and thousands of dollars in your crypto lifetime because they've got the lowest spot and futures fees. But people don't want to tell you this. You can literally see their spot fees are 0%, which is just incredible to see. Another coin. Not to sort of ignore right now, XRP is, it's in the heat, right? And I think we could see something still good for XRP happen. I don't know when, but I think XRP is, even though I'm not super excited when I think about XRP, I think from a fundamental point of view and the fact that the SEC has cleared the lawsuits, even though it's not admitted as a security, I think, at the end of the day, We can see XRP potentially also go back to $3, maybe even the realm of $4 could be upon us at some point. We've never seen XRP at $4, and I think that could be a possibility as well. It still captures a very large amount of market share in the market. The dominance of XRP here is also very good. We also have Cardano as well, another one, $25.3 billion on the market cap. Cardano hasn't really done that much exciting things this particular cycle, but I do believe that we will see something happen, and Coinbase are becoming more and more friendly towards Cardano. We might in fact see a massive launch on Coinbase for Cardano, which would propel the price very, very high, I would imagine. Now, what else we got? BLX chart. Now, this does interest me, because when we look at the cycle, this is basically Bitcoin price, by the way, here, guys. So we can see we've got the logarithmic regression. When we're in a bull market, we're in the red territory. When we're in a bear market, we are in the blue territory. Looks like they've added a new line here as well, which is that blue territory, in an extreme bear market is this blue territory right here. So what is going wrong with me? The green territory is the extreme bear market. The blue territory is like, you know, when you're in a bearish phase. But the extreme bear market is, of course, green, where you really want to sort of dollar cost average in. And I think it's not that difficult to potentially do it. So yeah, this indicator is the one that I use to help me strategize and time the bottoms in the market. Now, looking at what's happened, you can see last time we had the exact same similar pattern play out, where we had this broadening descending channel where we're producing slowly lower highs but also lower lows at the same time. And we did see in August 2024 a massive push, a massive rush. So we could actually bleed out like this until the summer or late summer, and then have another 2x rush, which would be insane. If it happens, it's going to take Bitcoin to $150,000. The markets will be so bullish again. People will be so excited again. And I honestly think this is a play that could potentially occur. Looking at our relative strength index, you can see we hit a massive 88 on the RSI last year. We hit this December, last December, well, you know, 4 months ago, 78 RSI. So the RSI has indeed dipped. But the thing is, why it doesn't really matter is actually last time something similar happened, you know, in 2021, where Bitcoin RSI came up really high. Then when it actually went and did its next all-time high, the RSI was actually lower. So you can actually have these bearish sort of divergences on the RSI and still see Bitcoin go to an all-time high value. So yeah, for sure, I'm very keen to see what might happen if Bitcoin comes down to 50K. You know, this could be a real nice new area of dollar cost average. I don't think we will see it come down to $50,000. I think we will hold the floor now, hopefully at this $75,000 that we put through. I'm really hoping this is the low for now. Otherwise, we might see something a bit like kind of this happen, impulse back to 100K, come back down to 70K, and it completely wipes everyone out and tricks everyone again. And then we get that big breakout towards the end of the year. That's what I'm really hoping is going to happen. Something a bit like this. This cycle is a bit different to the others, and it does feel indeed quite different as well. If you guys are also looking to amplify your crypto journey, do consider becoming a patron. You can get in for as little as $4 per month, by the way. And yeah, that is just all accessible down below. So feel free to become a patron if you want to hit your crypto goals this year. Hit time, location, and financial freedom. And you can see we've got a few different packages here which will help you become a better trader, a better meme coin hunter, a better analyst, and make better choices within this crypto market. So please do check that out down below. That'll give you VIP access to my Discord, where you get a bunch of extra features. We've got loads of cool things coming soon, a new trading indicator and more. So thanks for watching, subscribe, see you soon. Peace.